If you analyze the economic history of the last 100 years, you will realize an undeniable truth. There is only one industry in the world that is truly proof against everything. It is an industry that withstands recessions, survives pandemics, ignores technological bubbles, and remains firm while other sectors collapse. However, the vast majority of entrepreneurs who try to enter it fail. Why? Because they make the fundamental mistake of believing that to sell food they need to set up a traditional restaurant, hire waiters, rent an expensive commercial space on a main avenue, buy luxury furniture, and drown in bureaucratic permits before selling their first dish. That mindset belongs to the past. Today we are living the revolution of micromanufacturing and dark kitchens or ghost kitchens. We are going to travel from the creation of viral, ultra-high margin snacks to the production of basic foods that your neighbors consume every day. Get ready, take notes, because one of these machines has your name on it. Machine number 1, the automatic mini donut machine. We begin our journey with a machine that directly attacks the trend of Instagrammable food. For years, donuts were big, greasy, and cheap, sold in pass-by bakeries. But the market has evolved towards sophistication, portion control, and visual aesthetics. This is where the automatic mini donut machine comes in. Imagine a compact stainless steel unit that fits perfectly on top of a sturdy table. The process is hypnotic and works like a visual magnet. You simply pour the liquid mix into a top hopper, and the machine takes care of absolutely everything else. A piston system doses the exact amount of batter, dropping it into a channel of hot oil that circulates at the perfect temperature. Automatic paddles flip the donuts halfway through to ensure an even golden color on both sides. And finally, a mechanical ramp ejects them ready to decorate. The business model. The mistake would be to sell these donuts by the unit for pennies. Your business is not selling fried flour. Your business is gifting, or the art of giving experiences as gifts. With this machine at home, you can create personalized gift boxes of 6, 12, or 24 units. Because they are small, they allow you to play with decoration in a way that a big donut does not allow. You can bathe them in Belgian chocolate, cover them with crushed pistachio, Oreo cookie pieces, edible rose petals, colored cereal, or golden powders. The production cost of a dozen of these little jewels is ridiculously low, composed mainly of flour, sugar, and oil. But the perceived value of a beautifully decorated box with a bow is extremely high. You are selling a detail for anniversaries, a corporate gift for offices that want to celebrate an employee's birthday, or the center of attention for a dessert table at a wedding. You operate by order, which means you have zero waste. You only turn on the machine when the customer has already paid, guaranteeing total freshness and maximum profitability. Machine number 2, the lolly. Waffle machine. Waffle on a stick. We all love waffles, but the traditional waffle has a fatal defect for street business, events, or fast delivery. It is uncomfortable. It requires a plate, cutlery, sitting down, and getting your hands dirty. That kills the impulse purchase. The technological solution is the Lolly Waffle Machine. This is a heavy commercial waffle maker, built to work continuous hours, with deep molds that can have shapes of pine tree, sword, spiral, or characters, but with a key feature, a slot designed specifically to insert a wooden stick before cooking. By doing this, you transform a complicated process into a hot, portable, and fun popsicle. The business model. From the comfort of your home, this equipment opens the doors to the lucrative market of children's events and mobile catering. It is the perfect snack because it is clean and entertaining. You can prepare the batter in your kitchen, take the machine to the birthday party, and cook them live. The aroma of vanilla and hot butter sells by itself. Once the waffle comes out, you dip it into chocolate fountains and toppings. But there is a second model that is even more scalable. Frozen breakfast kits. You can produce the waffles in your kitchen, freeze them, and sell bags of 10 or 20 units to the families in your neighborhood. The promise is simple. A fun and hot breakfast for your kids before going to school, ready in 2 minutes in the toaster. You are selling time and peace of mind to busy parents. Machine number 3, the artistic cotton candy machine. If you're looking for profit margins that seem almost illegal, spun sugar is king. But please forget those sad bags of flattened pink cotton candy from fairs. The trend that has been sweeping in from Asia is artistic and giant cotton candy. For this, you need a commercial cotton candy machine with a vertical head. Unlike cheap home machines that vibrate without control, these industrial units allow precise control of sugar flow and temperature, which lets you with technique sculpt giant 3-layer flowers, hearts, ducklings, and shapes of multiple colors. The business model. The math is astonishing. A spoonful of sugar with a touch of coloring costs pennies. The final product, a giant multicolor flower, sells for $3, $4, or $5. Gross margin above 900%. From home, you can focus this on the packaged gourmet market. Cotton candy absorbs moisture and melts quickly. But if you produce it and package it immediately in transparent plastic containers with an airtight lid, it keeps for weeks. Create a line of exotic flavors: bubblegum, watermelon, passion fruit, coffee, or spicy. Sell them as edible keepsakes for baby showers, weddings, or corporate parties. It is nostalgia with elegance. Machine number 4, the gourmet popcorn machine with caramelizer. Cinema has exploited this snack for decades, but you are going to elevate it to the next level. We are not going to compete with microwave corn. The business is in the gourmet popcorn machine with a caramelizer kettle. You need an industrial kettle, gas or electric, with a constant agitation system. This is vital because to make gourmet popcorn, you need to cook the corn directly in the caramel, the melted cheddar cheese, or the chocolate. If you do not have a robust mixing system, the sugar burns before the corn pops. The business model, your luxury popcorn brand. Think of flavors like salted caramel with real butter, white chocolate with Oreo, cheddar cheese with jalapeno, or black truffle. Popcorn kernels are an extremely inexpensive and voluminous input. They fill a lot of space for little money. What you sell here is the flavor and the packaging. Using metallic Ziploc-type bags with an attractive graphic design, you turn a cheap snack into a premium product. Your customers are corporate offices, snacks for employees, hotels, welcome detail, and lovers of cinema at home. It is a dry, light, and resistant product, perfect for national shipments. Machine number 5, the automatic dumpling and empanada machine. We enter the territory of real food, the kind that solves lunch or dinner. Making empanadas by hand is a noble art, but it is slow and costly for a business. The solution is the desktop automatic dumpling and empanada machine. This compact marvel works simply. You put the dough in one input, the filling in another, and the machine extrudes, doses, folds, and seals the product at a speed of 1,000 units per hour. Most important, they all come out identical, with the same weight and perfect shape. The business model. With this equipment, you attack 2 massive fronts: hot food, delivery. You sell empanada combos or Asian dumplings, ready to eat through Uber Eats/Rappi. Your response speed is immediate. Frozen, recurrence. This is stable money. You sell bags of 20 or 50 frozen units to families in your neighborhood. Your argument: always have a homemade dinner ready in 10 minutes. By automating the shape, your product looks professional and trustworthy, competing with the supermarket but winning in flavor and quality of ingredients. Machine number 6, the sushi robot, roll maker. Sushi is one of the most profitable foods in delivery because of the low cost of rice, but it requires an expert sushi chef who charges a lot. Here comes the sushi robot, or roll machine. There are models where you place the nori sheet. The machine spreads a perfectly flat and airy bed of rice, hard to achieve by hand. You place the filling, And with a mechanical movement, the machine rolls and presses the roll to perfection. There are even cutters that split the roll into 8 exact bites in 1 second. The business model: start a sushi. Dark kitchen from home without depending on an expensive chef. By reducing your operating costs and minimizing rice/fish waste, you can enter the market with competitive prices or aggressive 3 for 2 on rolls promotions that traditional restaurants cannot afford. The machine guarantees that Monday's roll is identical to Saturday's, creating the consistency that builds customer loyalty. Machine number 7, the automatic tortilla press. In a large part of the world, flatbread or the tortilla is life. The problem is that supermarket tortillas taste like plastic and preservatives. The automatic tortilla press machine changes this. It is a tabletop unit where you place the ball of fresh dough, and the machine flattens it with heat, hydraulic or pneumatic, pre-cooking it in seconds. The business model: the tortillas of the day subscription. Offer your neighborhood hot, flexible, preservative-free tortillas delivered to their door at 12 noon. This is the holy grail of businesses: daily recurring income. The family that buys from you today eats today and needs to buy tomorrow. You do not have to spend on marketing to convince them each time. You only have to deliver quality and punctuality to have a captive customer for life. Machine number 8, the nut butter grinder. The fitness and healthy consumer pays a premium for pure products. Commercial peanut butter is full of palm oil and sugar. Here, the nut butter grinder shines. It is a stainless steel colloid mill, sometimes with a transparent casing to see the process, that converts nuts into liquid cream in seconds. The business model: create your brand of living butters. You buy peanuts, almonds, cashews, or hazelnuts wholesale. You toast them lightly to activate oils and flavor, and you grind them. Your sales hook is purity, 100% peanut, nothing else. You can create exclusive mixes like hazelnut with cocoa and stevia, healthy Nutella. You sell to gyms, CrossFit centers, and organic stores. The margin on products like almond butter is excellent, and the shelf life is long without chemicals. Machine number 9, the home cold press oil machine. Following the purity line, we have the cold press oil machine. Factories use chemicals to extract oil. You will use mechanical pressure in your kitchen. You simply pour the seeds into a hopper, and the machine separates the virgin oil on one side and the dry fiber on the other. The business model: sell oils that do not exist in the supermarket or that are already rancid when you buy them. Think of toasted black sesame oil for Asian food, macadamia nut oil, or pumpkin seed oil. By producing small batches, you guarantee a freshness and aroma for which cooking lovers pay luxury prices. You sell small bottles of high-value, finishing oils. Also, the leftover dry fiber is protein flour for baking. Zero waste. Machine number 10, the freeze dryer, lyophilizer. This is the highest investment on the list, but the most powerful. The freeze dryer is not a common dehydrator. It is a machine that freezes to -40 degrees Celsius and creates vacuum, drying the food without losing shape, color, or nutrients, giving it a shelf life of 25 years. The business model: 2 millionaire directions, freeze-dried candy. The viral TikTok trend: Skittles or gummies expand, pop, and become crunchy. You buy cheap candy, process it, and sell it at triple the price for the experience of the new texture. Survival/camping food. You sell freeze-dried fruits, healthy snacks for kids, or complete meals for hikers that only add hot water. It is a market with high purchasing power. Machine number 11, the sample coffee roaster. Coffee is the second most consumed drink in the world, but supermarket coffee is old. It loses aroma weeks after roasting. The solution is a small drum coffee roaster, 1 kilogram. The business model: become an artisan. Micro roaster. You buy green coffee, cheap and durable, and sell under the freshness subscription model. Receive at your door. coffee roasted less than 48 hours ago. When the customer tastes the enormous difference in flavor and the aroma floods their house, they do not go back to commercial coffee. It is a business of extreme loyalty and monthly recurrence. Machine number 12, the sugarcane juice extractor. Trepich. For hotter, sporty areas, there is a natural energy drink superior to chemical cans, sugarcane juice or guarapo. You need a compact sugarcane juice extractor. The business model, bottled natural energy. Sugarcane juice with lemon and ice. The cost of the cane is almost zero, giving you wide margins. You can bottle it and sell it to gyms as a natural pre-workout, glucose plus electrolytes, or at weekend fairs. It is a volume business where thirst is your best ally. Machine number 13, the chamber vacuum sealer. Sometimes the money is not in cooking, but in preserving. You need a chamber vacuum sealer, not the cheap external suction one. This machine allows you to package liquids, soups, sauces, marinades, because it equalizes pressure. The business model, meal prep and marinades. Buy meat or chicken, season them with secret recipes, and vacuum seal them. You sell ready-for-the-pan products to busy people. It also allows you to sell vacuum-cooked food, sous vide, of restaurant quality. You solve dinner for the week for your customers with a product that lasts much longer in the fridge without freezing. Machine number 14, the industrial spice grinder. We close with the rise of BBQ culture and cooking at home. You need a high-speed spice grinder. It pulverizes cinnamon, pepper, chilies, or sea salt in seconds. The business model, your brand of signature seasonings, rubs. The market is tired of basic garlic salt. Create blends like mix for grilled meats with coffee and chili, worm salt, fresh curry, or seasoning for French fries. Buying whole spices is cheap. Grinding and mixing them creates a high-value product. It is dry, non-perishable, light, and easy to ship throughout the country. We have traveled 14 paths to your financial freedom from the kitchen. But success is not in buying all the machines, but in choosing one. The beginner's mistake is dispersion. Your task today is to identify which of these categories resonates with you and where there is a gap in your local market. Are fun snacks missing? Is real healthy food missing? Is there a solution missing for quick dinners? Do not quit your job tomorrow. Buy the machine, install it in a corner, and start in your free time. Validate your product and build your clientele. When your orders exceed your salary, take the leap. Food never goes out of style. People will be hungry 3 times a day for the rest of eternity. The question is, are you going to be the one who feeds them and charges for it? Start small, think big, and above all, start soon. If this video turned on your entrepreneurship light bulb, subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one. Let's cook success.